Instructions for logging into your Naviance account have been included in your registration packet. Once you've logged in and you get to the home screen, you'll navigate to Courses and then Manage My Course Plans. You're going to be starting a new plan, so you click Add a New Plan and Create New Draft Plan. Please choose High School Graduation February 6, 2017 as the plan that you will build. Here you'll go subject area by subject area, building your 9th grade plan for what courses you'd like to take. In the future, you'll add to this plan, but for now, you can spend most of your time on grade 9. I will step you through one subject area and let you do the rest. In English, you're going to have to take English 1. You can find it there, and you'll need the matching semesters, so English 1A and English 1B for 5 credits each. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, add your courses to your plan. You want them in 9th grade, and hit OK. You'll go through building your plan through all of the subject areas. You can click Review and Finalize, and you'll be able to see those courses listed either by requirements or grade level. Because you're only doing your 9th grade year right now, you'll have exclamation marks that say Need Work, and that's fine. Print it and initial it, parent and student, and include it in your registration packet.